Here at HRS Control, we really value our customers' feedback. And today at InfoComm 2013, a few of our clients actually just stopped by and were excited to tell us about the various ways that they've integrated the UDC software and some of our other complementary products into their various systems and applications.
So Riverview Systems is a rental and staging company. We do large, anything from small meetings to large events, and conference room integration. So the first use of the software was for a trade show we did for Symantec. So they had several different videos that they needed to play back across 4 different playback devices. We needed to sync everything together. And the one way we did that was with the partnership with HRS and having UDC output timecode into a lighting console. So we could program different timecode triggers in the lighting console that then UDC would trigger every time we played a video. Instead of having to stripe timecode on the videos, we wanted UDC to be able to output the timecode directly so that the minute we triggered a video to play, it triggered the lighting console to change the lighting effect in the room. As far as the learning curve, it's very easy to sit down, look at the command sets, look at what you're trying to do, like if you're trying to control a keyPro. Once you connect to the keyPro from UDC, it pulls up all of your clips right there. So instead of having to go try to find out what clip's named or what you need to name it for UDC to recognize it, all you have to do is look down at the bottom of your command set. The movies and the clips are all right there. You literally copy paste it into the trigger, and then UDC does the rest.
I'm Director of Technology for NMR Staging and Events, and we're trade show technology providers, but we also do live event production, systems integration, and custom content development. And then I had one project specifically that I was like, you know, there's got to be an easier way. We were trying to do an iPad controller. We had multiple zones, multiple people simultaneously working within a space, but to write the application would have taken too long. It was a short turnaround, and so that's why we reached out to HRS and said, you know, I know you guys have the controller. How do we do it? Is it something, you know, are the parts that we're using compatible with the system, and can we make them talk to each other? But it was such a big success. They've actually done it 3 times since, and we've been able to learn from what we did with that, and we've applied it to other projects. So what it allows us to do is really create something very short order that's powerful, impactful, custom, and is dynamic enough that our clients don't have to pay for a technician to sit there 24 hours a day in a booth because the interface looks confusing. We can make it user-friendly for them, so all they have to do is press the big button, and it does what it should. Learning curve was actually really simple because of the drag and drop, the plug and play features. Select a protocol and say, here's what I want you to do, and be very specific. I don't need all of these things. All I need is this one feature, this one function, and then apply it to a bigger picture. So if I'm using a lighting console, I don't need the random patterns. I don't need this, I don't need this. All I need is for you to press this one button. I don't want to sit there and have to teach somebody, you know, okay, when you boot up the system, click this, start that, do the next thing. So the ease and the use of it, and you know, really the lack of learning curve was also appealing.